students. Now today we will start with the question number 2a, 2 marks example. In the last lecture we have completed the 1 marks questions from the quadratic equation, and today we are going to start the activity based question for 2 marks from your question bank sets. Okay, so here the first question you can see, the question number 1 is given that complete the following activity. We have to complete the following activity. Okay, and the equations and the boxes are given here, and the question is totally is given here. Okay, we have to just fill the boxes. So activity based question is very simple. Okay, half solution is already given. Okay, only half solution we have to do. Okay, so here x square plus 8x minus 20 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Okay, and here we have to solve this by factorization method. Okay, because here two terms are there. X square will be same. Instead of 8x, one is box, empty box is given, and another is minus 2x is given. So we have to fill this box. How will we fill? So first we'll write the 20. Okay, we have to check 20 as a factor whose subtraction will give you 8 and whose multiplication will give you 20. 20 के ऐसे factors लेना है. When you multiply that factor, it will give you 20, and when you subtract that factor, you will get 8. Okay, so which factor will be there? Okay, which factor will be there? Okay, that multiplication will give you 20 and subtraction will give you 8. Okay, tell me. If you see the 20 tables, okay, if you see the tables for 20, 4 5s are 20 is there, but when you subtract 4 minus 5, you will get 1. Okay, so it will not be satisfied, and other will be 10 2s are 20. You can see 10 2s are 20. The first sign 10 2s are 20. Okay, when you multiply this 10 into 2, you will get 20, and when you subtract with 10 minus 2, you will get 8. So this factor is suitable for this equation. Okay, so we'll take this factor 10 2s are 20. First sign will be here, minus sign will be top, plus minus is minus, and 10 minus 2 will give you 8. Yes or no? So this factor is very applied for this example. It satisfied the given equation. So here x square will be same. Instead of 8x, we'll write plus 10 minus 2. So minus 2x is already there here, and we have to write here only 10x. Yes or no? How did I get 10x? Using factors. First of all, we have to check the factors so that the multiplication should be equal to the third term and their subtraction should be equal to the middle term. So 10 2s are 20 is one of the factor. When you multiply this, you will get 20, and when you subtract this two factor, you will get the value 8. Okay, so here x square will be same. Instead of 8x, I have written 10 minus 2. So here minus 2x is already there, so I have written 10x here. Okay, and after that, when you take out common x from here in these two terms, you will get x will be common as outside, and 1x will be remain here, and 10 will remain here. Same manner, which term will be common from these two terms? Which term we have to take as a common part? So we have to take 2 as a common part. What we have to take? 2 as a common part. When you take a 2 as a common part, okay, so in the bracket you will get x plus 10. Okay, and after that, this x plus 10 and this x plus 10 are common. Say I have written here one time already there, it is given, and we have to combine these two terms. So in the other bracket you will get x minus 2. What you will get? X minus 2. After that, we will separate this term. X plus 10 equal to 0, then 10 will shift here, x equal to minus 10 you will get, and my x equal minus 2 equal to 0. When you shift minus 2 there, you will get x equal to 2, and these two are the solutions. Okay, so we have got these two solutions. Understood? I hope you understood this activity. It's very simple. Okay, now we'll come to the next example. Now here we have come for the second question. In the second question, it is given that complete the following activity to find the value of discriminant for the equation 4x square, okay, minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, and here the value of a is given 4, b is given empty, and c is given 3. We have to write the value of b. So what will be the value of b from this equation? A is 4, so value of b will be minus 5. Value of b will be minus 5. C will be 3. Yes or no? So we have to write the value of b as minus 5. After that, here the discriminant value is given b square minus 4ac is equals to b square is given, that is minus 5 square. Here it is square is there. Okay, and minus b square minus 5 square minus 4 bracket is given and 4 into 3. So instead of bracket, what should I write? Okay, so here you can see 4ac is given. So value of a is here, there already there in the multiplication. C is already there in the multiplication. The value of a is 4 and the value of c is 3. So it is there already. So which term we have to write? So we have to write the 4 only. So in the bracket it will give you 4. Okay, and after that what should I write? Okay, 5 square is 25 and 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So this 3 multiplication already done here. Okay, 4 into 4 into 3, it is there already, minus 48. We have to just take the square of this, it will give you 25. Okay, now we'll subtract with 25 minus 48, means we have to subtract 48 from 25. Okay, so we will subtract it, 48 and 25. So what I'll get? 8 minus 5 is 3, 4 minus 2 is 2, and 23 we are getting the answer. But sign of greater number here, it is minus, so we have to write minus sign here. So answer would be minus 23. So this is the answer. Okay, I hope you understood the second activity. It's very simple. Okay, here the value of discriminant only we have to calculate. Okay, the equations are given, we have separated the values of a, b, c, use the formula, substitute the values, and finally you will get the answer. Okay, now we'll come to the third example. Now this is the third question from the activity, from the 2 marks example. So here it is given, if one of the root of the quadratic equation is x square of the quadratic equation x square plus 8x plus 54 equal to 0 is minus 6. One of the root is given minus 6, and then complete the following activity, and the activity is given here. Okay, so how will you simplify this? First of all, here it is given that one of the root of equation x square plus kx plus 54 equal to 0 is minus 6. So let's take x equal to box, x equal to, okay, dash is given. So what should I write there? Okay, so here first of all we have to read the question carefully. The question states that the root, one of the root of the equation is minus 6. So root is nothing but the solution. Okay, so root diya hai minus 6, so what will be the value of x equal to? So we have to write there minus 6 we have to write. So minus 6 will be the one of the solution, already it is given in the question. So let's take x equal to minus 6. After that what should I do? So we have to substitute the value of minus 6 in each term in the equation. Whenever there is a value of x, whenever there is a x, we have to replace the value of x as minus 6. Okay, so what they have done here, it is already there, x square is there, so minus 6 square is there, plus k already there, instead of x it is there minus 6 plus 54 equal to 0. So this equation is already given. In the next step what we have to do, we have to take the square of this term. So minus 6 square will give you plus 36. Okay, negative square is always positive. Negative number is always give you positive in square term. So minus 6 is square is 36. Plus minus is minus 6 into k is 6k plus 54 equal to 0. After that we have to add these two terms. This is 54 here and this is 36 given here. Okay, so when you add this 54 plus 36, so what should I get? 54 plus 36, 4 plus 6 10 ka 0 carry on 8 or 8 9. So what should I get? 90. What should I get? 90. Okay, 54 plus 36, 4 plus 6 is 10 ka 0 carry 1, 5 plus 3 8 and 1 is 9. After that we'll shift the value of 90 there, minus 90, then 6 will go to the division, so it will give you 90 upon 6. So we have to divide this. 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 7 8 9 3, 6 5s are 30. So what will be the answer of value of k? K will be 15. How did I get? When you shift the minus 90 there, it will give you minus 90, and minus 6 will go to the division. Minus 90 upon minus 6, that will be 90 upon 6. Minus minus get cancelled. Divide the value of 90 with 6. So when you divide with 6, you will get 50. Understood? Okay, it's a very simple. First minus 90 will go there, it will give you minus 90, then minus 6 will go to the division, then after that we have to divide this term, 90 upon 6. Okay, now we'll come to the last question from the 2 marks example. Okay, I hope you understood this example. Okay, now we'll come to the next question. Now we'll come to the fourth example from the activities question. So here it is there, to decide whether x1 is the root of x square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0 or not, complete the following activity. Okay, so here हमें चेक करना है कि एक 1 जो है that is the solution of this equation or not. ठीक है, solution or not, complete the following activity, मतलब बोले तो ये to decide ये है या नहीं है. तो अभी हम कैसा करेंगे? So first it is given that when x equal to box, it is given empty. So what should I write here in the box? So here it is given that to decide whether 1 is the root or not, मतलब वो 1 है या नहीं वो चेक करना है. तो हमें x की प्लेस पे क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करना पड़ेगा? 1 ही सब्स्टिट्यूट करना पड़ेगा, कि 1 ही सब्स्टिट्यूट करके हमें चेक करना है whether it is the solution or not. ठीक है, एंड आफ्टर दैट x इक्वल टू 1 लिए बाद LHS लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. अभी हमें करना क्या है? वी हैव टू सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ 1 इंस्टेड ऑफ x. वी हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई दिस इक्वेशन LHS, एंड इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ LHS इक्वल टू RHS, then we can say that the given solution is the root of the quadratic equation. मतलब इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करे बाद तो वैल्यू किसके इक्वल आना चाहिए? 0 के. ओके, अगर वैल्यू 0 के इक्वल आया तो ये सोल्यूशन होगा. If the value is not equal to 0, then that is not a solution of the given quadratic equation. So I have substituted the value of 1 here. Okay, so it is already there. X square is there, so 1 square is there, plus 4 is same, x is there, so instead of x bracket we have to write 1, minus 5 is there already. So first of all we have to take LHS. So left hand side is x square plus 4x minus 5. So here it is x square, instead of x it is given that 1 square, plus 4 into bracket 1 it is there, minus 5. Then after that we have to simplify. 1 square is 1, 4 one side is given 4, minus 5 is already there. Okay, 1 plus 4 will give you 5. Okay, and this minus 5 is already there. Okay, 5 minus 5 what you will get? 0. Okay, so 5 minus 5 you are getting 0, and in RHS it is also there 0. So that means LHS equal to RHS. When LHS equal to RHS, it means that the x equal to 1 is the root of the given quadratic equation. Okay, if I am not getting the value of 0 here, then we have to write LHS is not equal to, we have to cross this sign, equal sign, and finally we have to write instead if it is not getting 0, and finally we have to write x equal to 1 is not the root of the quadratic equation. So it's a very simple example. I hope you understood what should I done here. Okay, so you have to substitute the value of 1 instead of x, simplify this. If LHS is equal to RHS, then we can say that the given solution is the quadratic equation. Okay, so with this we have completed the activity examples, okay, for 2 marks question. In the next class we will see the 2 marks examples without activity, it's of solving example. Okay, in the question number 2 there are 2 types of question will given. 2 question will be of activity form and 2 question will be of solution, that we have to simplify. Okay, so I hope you understood this example. Write in your notebook, practice yourself. Okay, thank you so much.